Hey guys, this is Maliha from All That Jazz, and today we are going to learn how to make this pretty illustration in Procreate. So the first step is to sketch it, and to sketch it, let's select the right brush, and I'm using here the 6B pencil that is available in the Procreate library. So I'll be using two brushes to fill in the colors in the illustration. First is the Baskerville brush that is available in the ink brush section, and the second one is the 6B pencil again. I've used the Baskerville brush in the face, and now I'm using the 6B pencil to fill in the color in the sweater and as well as the hair, as I wanted to give it a rough look, and that is, the 6B pencil is more suitable for that. Here I'm using the Spectra brush available in the painting brush section to make the vapor. It's always important to add little details in the illustration. It gives depth to the illustration. So here I'm using the 6B pencil to add the lights and darks. This one. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed the video. Do share your thoughts below in the comment section. Take care. Bye bye.